Alright, today I'm going to do another tutorial on how to do the Slickback dance. This time it's for covering a different version of the one that I did last time. The one that I did last time was sort of like sliding across the floor. This one is where it seems as if you're floating across the floor, where you have one foot up in the air the whole time. Now, if you've watched other tutorials on how to do the Slickback dance, they tell you to put your leg here and then slide it out like this. I disagree with that, and that's because if you really break it down and watch it in slow motion, it's more like you're just placing your foot on one spot, keeping it steady until you do the switch. Okay, so the way I'm going to teach you guys this move is to do some exercises and then eventually do the actual move, all right? That way you'll start off easy and then we'll build it up so it gets harder and harder. All right, so the first exercise we're going to do, on every jump, you bend your knees and then jump up and then you land, all right? Now, what I want you to practice is you go bend, all right? Notice how I'm prepping one of the legs. Let's just say you're right here. And then you want to kick and jump up like that, all right? So this one is straight, okay? And you can just imagine that you have a rock in front of you and you sort of want to step on it and jump up, all right? Just kicking it up, all right? And just keep it there. Let's try that a few times. Prep, kick, here. You can even try the other leg. Prep, kick, here. Okay? Try that a few times. Now, once you've tried that a few times, what I want you to do is do the same, but this time, when you're up and when gravity starts pulling you down, you want to switch legs, okay? Just watch. I'm just going to show you. Kick, switch. Kick, switch. All right, so you want to hold it there as long as you can, and then switch on your way down. Okay, I'm just going to show you again. Switch. All right, keep it, switch. And then the other leg, keep it, keep it, switch. Keep it, switch. Now, once you've practiced that a million times, and feel free to take a break if you need to, and then come back. Once you can do that, you want to be able to switch from side to side, right? Now I'm just going to show it to the front here. I want to go boom, 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 boom. Just do it in the tempo that you feel like, all right? So hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and then you just keep switching. Okay, let me show it from the side. Boom, 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 boom. Now, if you feel like it's too difficult, just go back one step and then practice one leg at a time. Boom, all right, boom. And then you can slowly include the other side in your tempo. Now, once you're at a stage where you feel like this is so easy, and you can even do it fast or relatively fast, you can start jumping to the side, right? So each time you jump, just jump slightly to the side. You want to go boom, 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 boom. Now remember, these are just exercises, so we will come to a point where it looks like the final outcome, all right? So just practice that a million times, and then once you can do that, what we want to practice is moving faster and with bigger jumps. Okay, so we're moving really fast and we do big jumps. We can't just keep our legs in here. We gotta move it slightly to the side. That's where we kick it, right? And then our body moves towards it when we jump. And then this leg is going cross, out, cross. That's basically how you need to place your feet, all right? So I'm just gonna show you again. And notice how I'm moving in a curve here, because that's the most natural thing, because we're moving our legs like this. Okay, you can also do it in a straight line. It's just a bit more difficult. So let's just start with this one, all right? And then now you need to combine this with the jumps. All right, so when we do it fast, it's gonna look more or less like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. All right, thank you guys so much, and until next time.